What's up, guys? I know it's a weird angle, but here we're at the back of the Gulfstream here, and right there where my finger is, it's all dirty. So I'm gonna show you guys how I wipe it down quick with one towel and then come back and degrease it. If you sprayed a greaser on it, it actually makes it harder to clean if you do that first. So we do that second. So take a look. There it is. Got it. One towel. All good. I'll come back with all-purpose cleaner and clean it up, and then neutralize it with whatever's in the detail keg. Also, make sure there's no one in the cockpit when you're here. I don't know if it can close, but I literally have nightmares of the thrust reverser, these things flipping back, chopping my head clean off. So yeah, just make sure no one's in the cockpit while you guys are back here. All right.